Hello friends, welcome you all once again. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I am going to talk about the Southeast Asian countries with all its important locations, water bodies, major rivers and also the resources of this region. And in last, I will talk about the ASEAN grouping, that is the Association of Southeast Asian Nation, and also the Mekong Ganga Cooperation. So let's begin. First, if we look at the major countries of Southeast Asia, then Southeast Asia is divided into the two parts. One is the mainland part of Southeast Asia and another one is the maritime part of the Southeast Asia. So the countries in the mainland part of Southeast Asia are Myanmar with its capital Naypyidaw, then Thailand with its capital Bangkok, then Laos with its capital Vientiane, then Cambodia with its capital Phnom Penh, and then Vietnam with its capital Hanoi. So you must notice here that except Laos, all these countries are on the sea coast. So Myanmar, Thailand, Cambodia and Vietnam are on the sea coast except Laos, and Laos is the only landlocked country of this mainland part of Southeast Asia, and it is the only country which shares the border with all these mainland part of Southeast Asia, that is the Myanmar, Thailand, Vietnam and Cambodia. So try to locate the capitals of these countries in your atlas, because there might be a question to arrange the capitals of these countries from north to south direction or west to east. So if we arrange it from north to south, then the countries are Hanoi, then Naypyidaw, then Vientiane, then Bangkok, and then Phnom Penh. Okay, and if they ask to arrange from west to east, then Naypyidaw, then Bangkok, then Vientiane, then Phnom Penh, and Hanoi. So make sure you remember all these capitals. Next Southeast Asian country is Malaysia. This is Malaysia with its capital Kuala Lumpur, and Malaysia found in both the mainland part of Southeast Asia and also the maritime part of Southeast Asia. Malaysia is also known for the oil, gas reserves and the rubber plantation. Next, this is Singapore. Singapore capital is Singapore city. Okay, next is this is Indonesia. Okay, so Indonesia में जो capital is Jakarta, and major islands are Java, Sumatra, Bali, and Indonesia is the largest archipelago in the world, and Java is the most populated island of the world. Two-thirds of the area are under forest, and it is known for the coffee, rubber and oil plantation. Okay, next country is Brunei. This is Brunei, and then this is Philippines with its capital Manila. So, apart from that, uh, Myanmar is the world's third largest tin producer. म्यांमार में टिन प्रोड्यूस होता है, टिन प्रोड्यूसर. एंड यहाँ पे ये जो थाईलैंड है, थाईलैंड में कोरट प्लेट्यू है. देन दावना रेंज है, एंड देन यहाँ पे इस्थमस ऑफ करा है. ओके, isthmus क्या होता है? Isthmus is the thin strip of land that connects two larger land masses. So it is the thin strip of land that connects the two larger land masses is known as the isthmus. So isthmus of Kara ये थाईलैंड में है. Okay, this is important. And all these 10 countries, these are so Southeast Asian countries: Myanmar, Thailand, Laos, Cambodia, Vietnam, Malaysia, Singapore, Brunei and Philippines. All these 10 countries are the part of ASEAN, that is the Association of Southeast Asian Nation. And you must know here that the Tropic of Cancer passes only through the Myanmar in the Southeast Asia. या म्यांमार से Tropic of Cancer पास होती है. Okay, and equator passes through the Indonesia, only country from where the equator passes in the Southeast Asia. So this is important. Next, if we talk about the major water bodies, then this is Andaman Sea, this is Coco Channel, then this is Gulf of Thailand, This is Gulf of Tonkin. Okay. And then this is the Strait of Malacca. Strait of Malacca is in between the Malay Peninsula and Sumatran island of Indonesia. Then this is Sunda Strait between Java and Sumatran island of Indonesia. Then this is the Makassar Strait. Makassar Strait in between the Borneo and Sulawesi island of Indonesia. Okay, this is Makassar Strait. This is Molucca Sea. Then this is Banda Sea. This is Slave Sea. Slave Sea जो है that is in between the Philippines. This is Philippines. Then Indonesia and Malaysia के बीच में. Okay, and then this is Sulu Sea. Then this is Luzon Strait. Luzon Strait in between the Taiwan and Philippines. Then Philippine Sea far east में है. Then Pacific Ocean. And then this here you can notice this is the one. Torres Strait. Torres Strait is in between the of Australia and Melanesia island of Papua New Guinea. So all these water bodies, this is Java Sea, all these water bodies are important. And here this is the South China Sea. South China Sea is very much important. तीन major islands हैं यहाँ पे. These are, this is Paracel Island, then Scarborough Shoal, then uh, this is Spratly Island. तो यहाँ पे इन तीन आइलैंड्स के ऊपर कंटिन्यूसली डिस्प्यूट चलता रहता है बिकॉज चाइना ने यहाँ पे चाइना हैव ड्रॉन एन इमेजिनरी लाइन विच इज़ नोन एज द 9 dash line. Okay, and China claims that area which falls under this line belongs to China. So इसमें चाइना इस एरिया पे साउथ चाइना सी वाले एरिया पे कंटिन्यूसली क्लेम करता है और इसकी वजह से इसका जो अदर कंट्रीज़ हैं आशियन कंट्रीज़ हैं उनके साथ डिस्प्यूट चलते रहते हैं बिकॉज आशियन कंट्रीज़ का जो 200 नॉटिकल माइल्स जो एक्सक्लूसिव इकोनॉमिक जोन वाला एरिया है 9 dash लाइन के अंदर आता है इसलिए उस पर कंटिन्यूसली डिस्प्यूट्स चलते रहते हैं. ऑन साउथ चाइना सी I have already made a separate video. You can watch this video. Link I will share in the description box below. Next, this I have already told you all these water bodies. This is Paracel Island, then Scarborough Shoal, and this is Spratly Island. This is important. Okay. दिस इज सुलावेसी. सुलावेसी आइलैंड इंडोनेशिया का है. इट इज़ वेरी प्रोन फॉर अर्थक्विक. सो इसलिए ये कंटिन्यूसली न्यूज़ में रहता है. रिसेंटली अभी यहाँ पे अर्थक्विक्स भी आए थे. तो इन एग्ज़ाम इफ दे आस्क टू दैट सुलावेसी आइलैंड is located in or it is a part of which country, it is located in which country, तो then इंडोनेशिया का है सुलावेसी आइलैंड. ओके. नेक्स्ट दिस इज़ द नटूना नॉर्थ नटूना सी. नटूना आइलैंड जो है दैट इज़ द इंडोनेशिया एक्सक्लूसिव इकोनॉमिक जोन है और यहाँ पे भी अभी रिसेंट में डिस्प्यूट चल रहे थे इंडोनेशिया के चाइना के साथ बिकॉज चाइना ने यहाँ पे अपना कुछ फिशिंग वेसल्स वगैरह भेज दिए थे. यहाँ पे चाइना की ये नटूना आइलैंड का कुछ पार्ट चाइना की 9 dash लाइन के अंदर में आता है. इसलिए यहाँ पे उन्होंने अपने फिशिंग वेसल्स वगैरह भेज दिए थे जिसकी वजह से इंडोनेशिया एंड चाइना के बीच में डिस्प्यूट चल रहे थे ओवर द नटूना आइलैंड. सो नटूना आइलैंड भी इंडोनेशिया का है. इंडोनेशिया के एक्सक्लूसिव इकोनॉमिक जोन में आता है. दैट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट. Next, if we look at the major rivers of South China, Southeast Asia, then there are three major rivers. These are Mekong Ganga River, then Irrawaddy River, and then Salween River. Okay. अब जो मैकोंग रिवर है, मैकोंग रिवर इज़ द ट्रांस बाउंड्री रिवर इन द साउथ ईस्ट एशिया एंड इट इज़ द 12th लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर है एंड इट इज़ द 7th लॉन्गेस्ट इन द एशिया. सो इट इज़ द वर्ल्ड्स 12th लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर एंड द 7th लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर इन एशिया एंड इट originates from the Tibetan plateau and runs through the China, then Myanmar, then Laos, then Thailand, and then Cambodia, and then Vietnam. Okay, so it runs through the China, Myanmar, Laos, Thailand, Cambodia, and Vietnam. Mekong Ganga River, and there was a Mekong Ganga Corporation which was launched in 2000. Just wait. It was launched in 2000 at Laos capital Vientiane. So it is the sub-regional cooperation organization which comprising India and other five ASEAN countries name basically Myanmar, Thailand, Laos, Cambodia and Vietnam. So Mekong Ganga Corporation में six countries हैं India and then Myanmar, Thailand, Cambodia, Vietnam, Laos. So its main aim is to facilitate closer contact among the people inhabiting these two major water river basin and enhancing the cooperation in tourism, culture, education, transport and communication. So that's why Mekong Ganga cooperation is important. Next important river is this is Irrawaddy river. This is Irrawaddy River. So Irrawaddy River passes only through Myanmar and it drains into the Bay of Bengal. Then this is the Salween River. Salween River majorly in Myanmar and touches Indonesia's border and then finally drains into the Bay of Bengal. So Irrawaddy River, Salween River and then Mekong River. West to east direction क्या रहेगा? Irrawaddy सबसे पहले ब्रह्मपुत्र है, इरवाड़ी, साल्वेन एंड मैकोंग. ओके, सो दिस इज इम्पोर्टेंट. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट यहाँ पे म्यांमार में एक अरक्कन माउंटेन भी है, देन पेगू योमा माउंटेन भी है, शान हिल्स भी यहाँ पे है, शान प्लेट्यू शान हिल्स भी म्यांमार में है. सो दिस इज इम्पोर्टेंट. This I have already told you. Cooperation, India, Myanmar, Laos, Thailand, Cambodia, and Vietnam are the member of it. It was formed in 2000 at Laos capital Vientiane. Next, if we talk about the ASEAN grouping, so ASEAN grouping is the regional grouping that promotes economic, political, and security cooperation. It was established on 8th August 1967 and in Bangkok. It is also known as the Bangkok Declaration or the ASEAN Declaration, and there are the 10 members of ASEAN grouping. These are Myanmar, Thailand, Singapore, Malaysia, Cambodia, Vietnam, Laos, Indonesia, Brunei and Philippines. So Myanmar, then Thailand, then Laos, Vietnam, Cambodia, Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, Brunei, and Philippines are the members of ASEAN grouping, and its chairmanship rotates annually based on the alphabetical order of the English name of the member state, and it is very important for India as it is the India's fourth largest trading partner. Okay, so it is important for India. And it played a central role in ASEAN economic integration and signing this free trade agreement among the member countries. So that's why ASEAN grouping is important. So that is it for the day, friends. I hope you like the video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Bye.